Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to place sell order in Fidelity. First thing I want you to do is log into your Fidelity account. Go over here to accounts and trade, right? And under positions here you'll see all the different positions you have. So let's say you want to sell Cisco and you want to set a sell limit. Then you just go ahead and click on it, and here you choose the action as sell. You can choose the quantity, number of shares. You'll see the number you have. You can choose the order type, which will be a limit order, so sell limit order. Okay, and you can set your limit price. And then just go ahead and preview everything. And you can choose your time in force as well, so it's either good till cancel, for example, and then preview everything. And it's just an example of what the chart would look like. But that is just about how you go ahead and do this whole process. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.